guys, I'm Daksh Jain. I'm in the class. Today we have learned how 3D print works. So first of all, I wish to make a Iron Man of Infinity War, but it's not possible because it takes too much of time. It takes a lot of time and cost. It was a wonderful experience for me and my mates, and we have lots of fun with Pratik sir, and I am very thankful to Pratik sir. He take me to his class and like in Insta print 3D.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
That's the class.
how can you relate 3D printing with clay modeling, or there was some topic related to binding of materials?
Yeah, there was a topic of through winding in clay molding. It's just with my hands, but in this we can make anything, whatever you want. It takes a plastic. It is in the back of machine. It is a thread which makes this. As you can see here, we are making a man over here. It is used by coating. We can set a temperature, many things like, and yeah, it's basically
Okay. So you really learned a lot, I think.
yeah.
Okay.
It was very fantabulous.
So your experience as 3D prints was Insta prints was really good.
Yeah, it was very good. I think you should visit to